He's out there, Astrid. Somewhere, and we're gonna find him. Meatlug and I won't stop looking until we do, right, girl?
Bro, it's like tear. It's spelled the same way. Tear. Oh, okay. All right.
Wait a minute. Fish legs, what do you see here?
A good reason to throw the twins into our volcano?
No, look. This helmet in the corner, it looks just like that mountain peak over there.
Astrid, I know you want this to...
And these axes right here, they line up too. These are all landmarks, all around us. When you line up the map, look what happens. Come on, we're going to get Hiccup.